Switzerland is one of the most powerful economies in the world. And 2026 is the perfect time to start a business here. Tourism is one of the biggest opportunities in Switzerland. Private tours and luxury travel services can be highly profitable. A specialty coffee shop can attract premium customers. Focus on quality, organic options, and ambiance. Switzerland is a hub for fintech and innovation. Start an AI, web development, or cybersecurity agency. Adventure tourism is always in demand. For hiking, ski training, or equipment rental services. Swiss customers prefer premium organic products. Local Swiss products sell at high margins. Home cleaning services offer steady income. Office cleaning and maintenance are always needed. E-bike rental is a smart, eco-friendly business. Consulting services are highly profitable in Switzerland. Major banks like UBS operate here. Pet care services are in high demand. Start your online store using Shopify or Amazon. Focus on quality, professionalism, and Switzerland will reward you.